Hey everybody, it's Lindsay from Organize to Save. So today I'm going to walk you through a nap time kitchen reset because we all know that nap time is prime time to be able to get your house whipped back into shape. So come with me today as I get my nap time hustle on and show you how I reset my kitchen for the rest of the day. Welcome, my name is Lindsay, and on my channel I talk all about getting you to organize to save your time, money, and space. So make sure you don't miss any other videos as I post them every single Wednesday, and subscribe below and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I post a new video. Alright, so kitchens. Seriously guys, they can be so chaotic, get so messy so quickly. Whatever it is, our lives seem to revolve around the kitchen. Having a clean and organized space is going to be key. So today I'm just going to show you a couple steps that I like to do typically either after I drop off my daughter at school or during nap time in order to get my kitchen whipped back into shape. So let's go ahead and dive in. Alexa, turn on the music. Guys, so the first thing that I love to do is to set up my oil diffuser. I'm using one by Young Living. If you want more information on it, I will leave that in the description box below. But it just really helps to get me in the right mood because I hate to clean, so it just calms me down and gets me going. And then of course this coffeeholic needs her coffee. Recently I've been using this coffee frother and it is amazing. It has cut down my Starbucks spending by a lot. So if you want to check that out, I'll leave that in the description as well. So normally start with the biggest project, and that is the dishes. I absolutely hate doing dishes, so I just get all the dishes unloaded and reload them, and then having the biggest thing done first just really helps keep me going because I know that everything else that I need to do is going to be very minimal. I don't clean my sink every single day. I know some people that do, but if I have extra time, I like to use baking soda and vinegar and just scrub it down really good. It really gets all of the nastiness out of the sink and just leaves my kitchen looking a lot better than it did before. After I've cleaned up the sink, I just make sure to wipe off the kitchen counters because that is going to be essential in order to have a clean working space for making dinner later on. So next I tackle all of the clutter. Our island in our kitchen just seems to collect things. Like I had some recording equipment up here, some outfit changes, my laptop, you name it, it was up here. So I put the big things away, but then as far as the paperwork, you guys don't worry about sorting through it now. Right now we are just in the mode of a quick nap time hustle. So I just put it all in a stack and I came back to it later to reorganize it. After I have everything off of all of the surfaces, I just do a quick wipe down, use my Norwex cloth, I love using this because it is simply just water and the cloth, and it makes all of my surfaces super clean. And then the last thing that I do is I have my new BFF, my little Shark robot vacuum, and I just turned it on and walk away, and I am done. That is it, guys. Just a couple steps that I do in order to do a quick kitchen reset. Let me know in the comments below if there's anything else that you do in order to get your kitchen whipped back into shape. But I hope those tips helped you guys, and don't forget to subscribe below, and then also there's a couple more organizing videos on your screen right now, so go ahead and check them out. We'll catch you guys next time.